Hi guys, I am Arushi Kulshresht and this is my second video on YouTube. तो मैंने पहला वीडियो बनाया था जब मेरा कोलंबिया यूनिवर्सिटी विच इज एन आईवी लीग स्कूल वहाँ पे एक्सेप्टेंस हुआ था एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल द लव यू गिव मी. मुझे इतने सारे मैसेजेस आए ऑन लिंक्डइन एंड इंस्टाग्राम एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी टू सी इतने सारे लोगों ने मैसेज किया. Thanks a lot, and a lot of you asked me, other than Colombia, what are my options in USA and UK. Like I wrote that I have been accepted to more than 20 plus universities in the world. तो उनमें से there are 10 universities which come in the top 200 of the QS ranking. So I have been accepted to 10 universities which are in the top 200 of the world. So just to give you some reference यहाँ पे, like India के I think 3 या 4 institutions होंगे. I think 2 IITs are there which are in the top 200 category. So yeah, without any ado, I'll like tell you which these universities are. So I've been accepted to Columbia University, number 1. Obviously, it's the 19th ranked in the world. Then I've been accepted to University of Manchester in UK. It's 27th ranked in the world. Then I've been accepted to University of Leeds, 91st है. By the way, अगर मैं UK जाती हूँ तो मैं इन दोनों में से किसी एक यूनिवर्सिटी में जाऊंगी. It will mostly be University of Manchester because it is amazing. It is so good and it has like 3 Nobel laureates in the world, like which it has given. So. But then others are University of Sheffield, which is 93rd in the world. So उस time पे I was so bored with lockdown that मैंने इनके 3 अलग-अलग courses पे apply कर दिया था. So I have been accepted to all 3 of them. So I have 3 offers from University of Sheffield and it's 93rd in the world. Then I have been accepted to University of Southampton, which is 96th in the world. Then I have been accepted to Queen Mary University of London, which is 114th. I recently received a scholarship also from here, but I won't be going here. Cost of living in London बहुत ज़्यादा है. I can't afford. Then University of Lancaster, which is 135th. Newcastle University, which is 152nd. Then I've been accepted to Ireland in UCD Dublin, University College Dublin, in 2 different courses. It's 177th in the world although, but it is an amazing university. It's their national university and इसका prestige within Europe बहुत ज़्यादा है. Then I've been accepted to University of Liverpool, which is 181st in the world. इसके अलावा I have 4 other universities where I've been accepted जो world के top 300 में है. So I'll not be taking all the names, but North Carolina State University, which is 295th in America, it's in Raleigh. I am considering this one. And the reason being, and ये मैं आप लोगों से भी शेयर करना चाहती हूँ, that I got lots of questions which were about कि आप rankings देख रहे हो क्या. So I really want to take a moment here and say कि rankings are not everything. QS rankings जो या कोई भी ranking होती है ना, a lot of times it's based on the research output of any university. और जरूरी नहीं है कि हर अच्छी university research कर ही रही हो. Like for example, मेरा एक selection हुआ है in California State University in the Silicon Valley. It's called San Jose State University. San Jose State University is 1200, I guess. 1200, like 1000 के भी ऊपर है ranking में when it comes to world rankings. But उनकी ranking low इसलिए है because they are completely industry driven. So universities are 2. Either they are industry driven or they are research driven. So industry driven होने के कारण it has a poor ranking, but वहाँ के average packages are like $100,000 a year because it is in the middle of Silicon Valley. So I will just tell all of you कि सिर्फ rankings मत देखना. Rankings are important, but they are not the only deciding factor or criteria. Talking about how I applied to these many, I did not apply to all of them myself. मैंने counselors का भी help लिया था. So the simple rule that I kept was half and half. जो यूनिवर्सिटीज मेरी ड्रीम यूनिवर्सिटीज थी जहाँ पे आई एब्सोल्युटली वांटेड टू गो, लाइक यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मैनचेस्टर एंड ऑल द यूनिवर्सिटीज इन अमेरिका की भी मैंने खुद इसलिए की है बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऑनेस्ट वाली बात ये है दैट आई डिड नॉट वांट टू स्पेंड द मनी टू गिव टू काउंसलर्स चार्ज यू मनी टू अप्लाई टू अमेरिका. And I just मुझे बस ऐसा लगता है I trust myself more obviously than anyone else. So मैंने US की सारी applications खुद करी थी, but UK की applications मैंने counselors से भी करवाई थी. So this is an approach you can take. Divide your universities in 50 and 50. जो आपकी 50% universities हैं, जो dream universities हैं, वहाँ पे आप खुद apply करो. जो बाकी की हैं, you can always take help of a counselor who is doing it for free. Or in case of obviously USA or any other country, they might charge. For UK and for Australia, 90% of the counselors are free because they get a good share of economic from the universities themselves. तो आपको नहीं देना पड़ता, but you can always decide for yourself, and these are my options. I'm also waiting to hear from New York University and Pennsylvania State University, Penn State, which are also in top 200. तो अगर इन दोनों में मेरा एक्सेप्टेंस हुआ तो शायद लिस्ट बढ़ जाए जो 10 है. बट यार थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. मैंने अभी तक डिसाइड नहीं किया है कि मैं कहाँ जाऊंगी. आई विल कीप शेयरिंग माई जर्नी विथ यू. आई विल टेल यू how I'm deciding and what I eventually decide. अभी लॉकडाउन की वजह से anyway I don't know where will I go. I'm trying to make a sound decision, but उसके साथ whatever I had to share in this video, I'm done. If you have any questions और अगर आपको कोई भी help चाहिए in how to do your application or how to write a perfect SOP, you can really drop me a comment here and I will help you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it, please give it a subscribe and hit the like button. All your love means a lot to me. Thanks.